stay good, no. So stay good, look at you.
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
you.
It's the AC gang, it's the gang, Aria.
And them boy cap up
And
here.
guys, we're there again more content for the asshole. So
here one now.
Today, you know.
Oh, yeah, kill me now. You feel like you like? Hello, my brother, them chair.
Today, you know, guys, a good girl. I got escort cap up here, so. I never do this from the day I'm born.
Make sure you don't figure it out.
Back then, you know, I never did really so close with no boyfriend and no. So now I'm close, I have a good boyfriend also. I'm gonna do it here also. But it depends on YouTube or watch some other video them, you know, cause you know, as I say, I tell you, no, everything depends on YouTube. So that me learn from YouTube also. So anyways.
So you say I go off and go buy this. I don't know when I regular curl. Abbi, ow! No, Abbi, you know? Remember? When I regular curl, I let none of feet. You see good? You buy the apple tree and crack to a plaza.
Yeah.
You understand, people?
Alright, guys, so the first step say, so comb out cap with dry head. Alright, so I'm gonna do that.
Get time, I beg you.
Cap I can't see.
Let me can't see. People are what they make up me here, you know. Yo, they first to them a trip, you know. So no fight come out, you know. Yeah, Abbi take your time, I like that face there.
Yeah, because you know you're a good girl, listen, you know. You're a good girl, know for take time also.
You? That was bad there, man.
And guys, I have to bring you put on.
My shirt.
I have to put on a big shirt and put on back one of my dirty clothes in my car. Guess what? After I do film here, you know. After I do film here, I'm going to try and braid my ear for Abbi's Madness. So you can go subscribe right now, Abbi's Madness. My channel also. Yeah, you're a good girl also. Oh.
Okay.
I'm going to try and braid my ear over there. So I fix him up first because you
Ow.
know, we have to look like we have things, you know. You know, we can't do every day we can't just look pop down so we have to make sure say look at it.
People come to you, tell them too.
People come guys, one girl comment and say, how long you have the wig there for? How many years? I'm gonna say, bomb man. I don't know share one, I don't share first, you know. Them a come from with the wig.
One time somebody tell us say I have 3 wigs. Say the person say I have 3 wigs, you know.
Yeah.
But I wanna say 1 wig, I say how long I have 1 wig there? Oh God.
I said the girl come for me in the comment section.
You see? Someone wanted to come here, make she change up her folly grounds.
No, I don't talk. She come for me.
She
And
said-
true, you know, because I say, look how much time I wear that dirty wig here. But I can't do no better. Somebody can sponsor me some wig. You not come for me, but you not sponsor me. So I just have to comb this out and so, you know.
You look so light skin, how
Then
about
they call relationship goals.
Don't know what I
Or
remind.
some dirty girl in a relationship goals also. Yeah.
People like me with a morning time, you know, man. Because the sunlight does perfect.
And the sun that was shine, the lighting just
Lighting,
nice.
yeah. Now it's
Early
nice.
morning lighting, best lighting.
In the middle of the day, not so good, but early morning and the evening, not good. So
And
good.
guys, I also with there before the picnic wake up, you know. That's why guys I come for your picnic.
Think a joke.
Yeah.
It must done come on, no, man. Sure.
No, dog, it have come out good.
People like me trim, I meet myself, you know.
Alright, so guys,
I'm not going to go again.
them say after we come here, we are learning to do all of them things about ourselves because we look at hungry, you know.
So much
So-
for the information.
What I'm gonna do right now is to part keep our ear in a
4.
4 sections or maybe 6.
Enough to tell again to check now 4.
Exactly, or maybe 6 guys because
I'm going to cut off no 5 over there.
when you do this, when I cream the ear,
It's easier to apply the cream.
yeah,
So right
and
now- So it's a 6 or 4.
6 me I got my ear too sharp.
Oh,
Yeah, look at you.
alright.
That's the work. I think they have a pretty look, dirty boy.
course.
Ready for that cute.
What I tell you?
The ugly I'm put woman on know.
Yesterday, I look handsome, but Bomba, keep look handsome sometime, man.
Yeah.
Yes, you
Sometimes
also-
when I say good, I like that.
Alright, Pop. Yeah, people say, oh, want an ear to be done, just hit you up on Instagram.
Wrong smarty, wrong smarty.
I'll be doing headphone now. Guys, after the video, I see how you good and I want to do one ear phone.
Yeah, guys, so I'm just going to catch this up in a 6 and then start back, alright? Bam! Alright, guys, so let's see what section it up in a 6. Yeah. So now, I'm going to use the oil, what you call it?
Oil moisturizer.
Oil moisturizer ear lotion. So this is basically, based on my watch, I'm still going to protect the edges. Yes.
Take your time, you know.
Protect the edges. Cause you know,
Man have edge.
You know a good boy have to have edge also.
Man have edges, Abbi. But
Then about this is your ear edge, your damn phone.
Put them here there.
Yeah.
Yo, take your
So
time.
this will protect you from scalp burn. That's what he said, scalp burn. Yeah, because when they watch somebody else go along, you know.
Yeah.
But now island shark, when they watch somebody else go along. Yeah.
Ah, look, the cream now go down this, remember, you know? I'm a fool.
I mean, to put in a section then. Scalp burn.
Ah, my charge, you know you're talking. No.
Yeah, no, I had chat say, I want some Google. Name, Capo.
Well done. We are cream here.
Answer!
If you can dolly us sing this, make sure you do any man do good man.
Oh, yeah,
That's who you.
So anyways, guys, edges done also.
Screenshot.
Now we're gonna apply. Well, I'm going to apply the texturizer cream. You're supposed to use gloves, you know, but I want gloves me have also, you know.
Then I can't work, man.
If I can use this, you know, because you know, certain cream dangerous, right?
That's fine, come here.
Yeah. I'm gonna go do it section by section, so I'm gonna start with the top first.
Okay, baby.
You know, since the top at the front view of your face, you know, when them see your front part of your face, so I'm gonna drop this. Yes, I'm gonna section it out.
Yes, girls, more all and just make sure to comment and tell me how I'm looking, because I don't know anything going on. I do it for Uno, you know. Think of Abbi? It's every day. I want to do it for the impression when I come on camera. That's me I'm telling you right now.
So you look woman in front of me?
Yeah, I impress the woman, them, I want you. You feel like, say, not for the girl them watch it because I look handsome, you know.
Where?
I tell you the truth.
You put your dirty but stay nice.
But
I sorry for you.
Abbi, the
and
girl
talk to
them,
you.
we not hard and talk. The girl them watch it because I look handsome.
Sorry for you and talk to you.
They
Because
don't
you
want
look
to
cute.
know. They don't want to see an ugly boy on camera every day.
Yeah, you
Oh,
look
me you
cute.
done right now, oh God, man. Subscribe, I go fly. Me I tell you.
Make sure to make it fly.
I
now.
tell you no.
Because good girl, I do this also, you know. Oh.
Don't do good with my money.
You're not even pay your money, dirty boy. A free service you get here.
Yeah, every time.
So all if you friggle, you take where you get.
Don't come pull a carry for me.
I use the one. I'm gonna use one. Alright, I'm gonna rub it so first, you know.
Yeah, but oh
To
shit.
make everything sink in also, you know. Rub it so first, everything sink in also.
Alright.
Get it through. Yes, get it like this. Yeah.
You don't even know what you do. What's
No,
that?
I don't know what I do.
What? Coupon?
Didn't I say that earlier? I don't know what I do.
Look for inexperience right there, so. No experience enough for
You
this.
chat too much.
You want to make video and do cap out here?
Yeah, but you say you want to do it. Me stop it, you know.
Okay, that was a lie. I'm even more. I'm serious. I'm
Fuck
the
yourself,
camera
eh?
here, I think.
When I deal with liar there.
And I like me a lie. I tell a joke, isn't
Tell
it?
a lie on me. I'll disappear out your life, motherfucker.
Okay.
Don't do that shit now.
Alright.
Don't do that shit.
In. Rub it
Everything.
in.
Inazo.
I'm not like, I like it already. And
You like that already, also? Yeah, because you know you're a good girl. Abbi, I do it also, you know.
I said,
So you have to like it. Yeah. Alright guys, so you know say a good girl just done every section, but keep us I feel the burn also.
yeah, but the box I can put in for 10 to 15 minutes for fine ear, 15 to 25 minutes for coarse ear, and I things. So I feel like my ear normal ear.
I remember for go over Abbi's madness, because I got attempt for braid my ear also.
Attempt better be that thing good.
I attempt for braid it. So the time is 9:54 now, right? 9:54, all I want to make it stay.
I'm gonna do it for the last 5 minutes or so.
So do the calculation.
10 o'clock,
Yeah, but you turbo E?
5 minutes.
5 past 10.
10 minutes from now? Boom, my ear look well, my size. No. Along that, you know. For fine ear, 10 to 15 minutes. For normal ear, 16 to 25 minutes. For coarse
so
ear,
yes, a normal ear.
25 to 35 minutes. I don't know what my ear may have done, but I feel like I put normal.
I know my ear have good. After you know Indian cooling as. Nah.
And then man, they fine ear?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
That man, they find it and me too.
Why you?
Yeah, my
Cause ear
mix
cream.
with Indian.
They mix with maroon, you shouldn't.
Also, yeah, guys, so we just have come back. Well, hold on, we'll come back.
In 10 minutes.
10 minutes. So guys, it has been how long now?
Between 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah. So now we're gonna wash it out with the shampoo with them give it. You know the bag?
I don't know.
It's called shampoo,
Yeah.
And then we're gonna use our personal condition. And so cause good condition and so in our teeth, my teeth this and no farm teeth this. Like Jesus, come here. So guys, just stay tuned. We'll see you back in 3, 2, 1. So alright guys. Uno now careful to see how I'm here look at you know. So I'm gonna reveal it to careful and Uno. Same time, alright? 3, 2, careful. Oh.
Boom! That's how I go. Yo, Abbi, no, I never like it. Abbi, what going on?
What do you mean?
Take a lay down.
What do you mean? Oh, guys. So this we just done wash it, shampoo it, and condition it, right? So
They
now.
look extra blacky, man.
So now them say.
Bomba!
So what do I do?
Wow.
Put them here in. So this is the curl activator. Curl activator moisturizer and the curl activator gel. So we're supposed to apply it. We're supposed to apply it to the ear now and make it ear dry. Cause that's him know. He make him one ear dry. Yeah.
Yeah, the boss, you know.
Abbi.
People want to think about that hairstyle. You know, don't know about it almost complete. So just spam the comment section. Just tell me what you think about it. If you don't really like it, if you give me a buzz, if you not want to know. You know that normal afro or rather this. Tell me from knowing people because right now me that you say my hairstyle it bother me now, so that's the more time I know about show me because please. So right now I want to tell me what you think. We can't get over it.
Alright, so guys, we're just gonna squeeze this in there. Rub up the conditioner moisturizer. Yeah, the activator moisturizer. Answer.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Papa, what the break?
Boy, I can't
That
chat.
One back here, I'm not telling a lie.
Yeah, feel about so.
Yeah, I'm watch strip naked.
Bomba! That one I don't know the head. A long time I don't know them word there, man. Where you been?
But when it dry, you're gonna see the actual result, you know.
Okay.
So make it ear dry.
So I always lie down right to go
No.
afro.
He can't tell you how it will look.
Oh,
I cannot tell you that.
okay.
Alright. So we just put in the activator.
The part of the thing that do Abbi.
Wait.
You know something thing that.
The activator
You
moisturizer.
put too much cream in this one.
And then I'm gonna apply the gel to it now. So here.
You smell. Oh yeah, man, it's a bun me now. I feel like a bun them it up.
So I go with normal woman cream here.
Just take it time with me, alright, baby?
Yeah. Take your time, awesome. Awesome.
You like me now?
Yeah, I like you now. I never really like you back then.
No, man.
But now I like him. I
Oh,
never
yeah.
like boy back then, but now I like him.
Oh, this is
And I
like-
yesterday sit down on him. Every time the boy get new hairstyle, it's like an all new capo.
Oh.
It's like I want him over again.
Oh.
Yeah. Guys, them said this supposed to last up to 3 weeks to a month. And then you can cream it over back if you want. If you choose to continue the hairstyle.
I mean, S-curl it over.
Escort it over.
But man, now, cream them here. S-curl here.
Talk to me now. I want to think about this. Talk to me. I want to think about it.
Abbi, I'm very impressed by what you did. Trust me,
Of
I'm
course, you have to
impressed.
impress. You're a good girl, do this, you know.
Oh.
I remember, guys, when I went up at the Abbi's madness because I'm like attempt for bread my ear. Yeah. So,
What a calamity. Abbi,
eh?
you think you can put it off?
I don't know. I'm back here, but still good, you know.
Yeah, I exaggerate,
Hey,
man.
boy, take off your clothes right now.
Bomb!
Yeah. Good boy, also. So now, we're just gonna make it air dry.
Yeah.
And okay, but you still good. You still good, no. You still good, look at you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So the ear do? You're the man them shoot out and do the ear like this. Make the girl then get weak in the streets.
Yeah. So get up, I'm start with Abbi's madness. And guys, when it dry, we're gonna show you the result. Go and show look at you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Gang. Yes, people.
Yeah, but come out also.
Come out.
Guys, but now show you because me just done my ear for Abbi's madness,
Can't
you
come
know.
on camera now.
So I can't come on camera now. What is this? Alright, yeah guys.
10 out of 10. Alright. Abbi going ourselves, you know, guys. So now go over to our channel and check out our video to post it.
Abbi's madness on a go on now.
Oh.
Go on. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. That's as I drop the video.
Yeah.
Wanna say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People don't know nothing about that video. If they enjoy Abbi do my ear, because I enjoy it, you know. Even though at one point that bun me, but she said that natural.
Yeah.
That natural,
yeah,
right?
it's inevitable.
Bomba.
Yes.
You bad.
Bad.
What do you mean?
You mean you must have my look a bun in a for go on.
Hello, my name may I try you to analyze that? Hey, the bun. Me just like a phone. You see me laugh for you. Anyway, people.
Comment what you think about the ear, guys. How we do?
Yes.
How we do? You know how him look? Good keep out at 10. How keep out look with the hairstyle? Yeah, smile.
10 out of 10.
See what the ear. So.
I like it. Abbi like it. No one like it too.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, tell me.
And if you're new, subscribe and go over to our comedy channel, Abbi and Kepo Comedy TV. Answer.
Who don't know, we are doing a giveaway. Go to our Instagram right now, Abbi_Kepo. Look on the instruction. We are giving 3 mini flexible tripod stand. Them thing they're valuable when our YouTubers and all them thing there.
Yeah, so if you want to start out a YouTube channel also, this I go be, you know, one of the instruments you want. Answer.
Because you want to know it's flexible, it can go anywhere.
Anywhere.
So people, if you know on the YouTube or if you know somebody on the YouTube, go to Instagram right now. Come on, Abbi and Kepo, JA, subscribe to them, win it, you know. So more, you know, where I watch it on YouTube, go over to Instagram and just follow the instruction. Them simple, just follow the instruction them, so you can stand a chance to win the giveaway. We have 3 lucky winners, as I said before.
3 lucky winners, guys. So anyways, until then, AC gang is
out.
bye.